Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This we get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, with news markets are even more skittish today, with key activity moving into bond markets at even higher yields. First though, American mortgage applications fell back last week, and by their most since late September. And there was also official data released overnight, old catch-up data for the US trade balance for both goods and services for August. That came at the expected $50 billion deficit, with exports flat and imports also flat. That was slightly better than August 2024, but almost identical to August 2023. And the latest US Treasury 20-year bond auction raised $17.8 billion at a median yield of 4.65% today, up from 4.46% at the prior equivalent event a month ago. And in Japan, September machinery orders rose a better than expected 11.6% from the same month a year earlier, up an impressive 4.2% from August. Export orders were particularly notable. And Japan's 10-year government bond yield rose above 1.77% on Wednesday, a 17-year high. A year ago it was 1.06%. The recent climb comes ahead of a crucial 800 billion yen debt auction, that's $5.1 billion US dollars, that could indicate investor appetite signals. That is important because the new Takaichi government plans major debt finance stimulus, which is raising fiscal concerns. Meanwhile, China raised $8.6 billion US dollars in US dollar and euro bonds. While that's a lot for them, it pales compared to the massive $234 billion that was bid. And as expected, the Indonesian Central Bank left its policy rate unchanged yesterday at 4.75%. The US Treasury 10-year yield is now at 4.11%, down 3 basis points from yesterday at this time. The price of gold will start today at $4,071 an ounce, up $10 from yesterday. And American oil prices are down 50 cents at just under $59.50 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is just under $63.50 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar is now just on 56 US cents, down 60 basis points from yesterday. Against the Aussie, we're down 30 basis points at 86.7 Australian cents. Against the euro, we're down 40 basis points at 48.5 euro cents. That all means our trade-weighted index starts today at just over 60.7, down 50 basis points from yesterday, and its lowest level since July 2009. And the Bitcoin price starts today at $89,524 and down a sharp 4.2% from yesterday and well lower than year-ago levels. In fact, it is falling as we release this update. You can get more news about the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston, and we'll do this again tomorrow.